These are the exact reasons why a lot of small YouTubers are getting banned on YouTube. Not for breaking obvious rules, but for doing these things. Some of them, they didn't even know that it was wrong. Videos are being deleted, monetization denied, and even demonetization. That is, after you have been monetized, you can be demonetized. And what is even worse, your entire channel being wiped out, like deleted. So I've noted a couple of persons who have already fallen into this trap. That is why there is need for me to put this video out there to warn a lot of people and to let people understand that these things that you probably don't think is wrong is actually the reason why your YouTube channel will be taken down. So don't fall prey. Before you upload another video, before you upload your next video, make sure you watch this video from start to finish and get these out of your video. Ensure that your YouTube channel is safe. Let's dive right into it. The very first thing is posting spammy comments. And what do I mean by this? Let me give you a scenario. You know, YouTube videos that are made where small YouTubers gather in the comment section and then say, subscribe to each other's channels. First things first, you have to know that you subscribe to only channels you're interested in. That's one. Two, when you do not go to everybody's comment to start saying, subscribe to me, subscribe to me. What this will only do is to trigger the YouTube's spam detection system. And when this happens, it will just delete your channel, like wipe out your entire channel. So do not do that for whatsoever reason. Another thing is, while you're uploading, do not overtag. Or what does overtagging means? Using anywhere between 50 or over 60 tags. So that's just overtagging. That is not allowed. Packing out the description box with tags will not get your video seen more. That would have worked before, but not anymore. So do not use overtag. Anywhere between 5 to 6 tags in your description, and then the normal amount of tags up to 500 characters that is already given to you as provision under the tag box. That is what you should use. Don't feel like you have to use the entire tag in the world just trying to get your video seen. Do not do this. The third one that is so important is copying other people's videos. Now, some people, when I say copy, outright copying, it's a different thing than modeling other people. Maybe you have looked at other competitors. You have looked at other competitors in your niche, and then you model and make a video similar to that, with your own ideas, with your own concept, but you model it because you got some ideas and inspiration from other videos. But picking other people's video or parts of it and just copying it can get you a copyright strike. And if you get enough copyright strikes, you are done. Talking about copyright, thumbnail images also have copyrights as well. You know, when you are going on Google, just Google or any search engine and just pick any picture you think is nice and use for your thumbnail. Also understand that these pictures too have copyrights. So ensure you're using something that is copyright free, or better still, just use your own picture for your thumbnails. Thumbnails is the cover of your video. So the sooner you start even putting your pictures there, the better, because you're building your brand, you're building your platform, you're building your YouTube channel as your media house. So you want it to correlate with your face if it's something you're proud of doing, okay? Yes, there are some faceless channels. That's a whole different thing. A faceless channel can also get pictures that is not their face. But ensure that you get a copyright free picture. That's only what you should use for your thumbnails. The next thing is public email. This one is an important safety measure. I just want to tell all small YouTubers out there, do not use the same email you use to register your YouTube channel or your YouTube channel login email, to display on your description and say, contact me, and you're using that very same Gmail you used to open your channel. That is like one of the most riskiest things, because there are so many people out there that are as scammers, hackers, can get to that your email and just take a hold of your channel. Personally know somebody that this has happened to. Just the fact that she had her email on in her description as her contact information, her channel was like just overrun, seized by these hackers. Before you know it, they started posting porn on it. And YouTube, of course, immediately blocked and deleted that channel. Imagine your work, all the days you have put out videos to ensure that you get your voice out there, your message out there, all wiped out in a go, just because you used your personal email, that same email you used to open up YouTube, or that same email that's your YouTube login. Please take note of this. This is a very important safety tip. And the next one I want to talk about is third-party apps. Because we're now delving into safety, I also have to talk about third-party apps overload. Now, not every app that is said out there you just download and connect to your YouTube channel. Not every app, okay? The less apps you have connected you to your YouTube channel, the safer your channel is. Because when that app or that company is maybe hacked, your YouTube channel will be affected. Only connect to channel that would totally benefit your channel and that you have vetted in some way, maybe through the reviews, but ensure that the less apps. So go to your Google now, go to your Google and then look at all the apps that's connected to your channel that you have allowed, given permission to operate on your behalf, and start to delete those ones that are not really important or that are not extremely important to your channel. So be cautious. Also, affiliate links. Affiliate marketing through YouTube is good, but there are some shady and scammy links. Ensure that you are also cautious when putting on affiliate links. Be sure that these are links that are products that you have used and you want to recommend to your audience. Not just any link you find, you put it in your description and ask people to click on it. Now, YouTube itself is even very wary of all of these suspicious affiliate external links. They are heavily monitored. So you don't want them to use that to get your channel shadow banned or banned entirely or even deleted. So be careful of the kind of links you attach to your channel, you put in your description. Now, the best thing to do is to invest in your YouTube education. Subscribe to videos like this so that you continue to get content that will keep you safe, content that will grow your channel, content that will grow your business. Invest in your education as well by, investing in coaching. The first link in the description box is a link that you can reach out to us to coach you when it comes to your YouTube growth, your business growth. Click that first link below, subscribe to this channel, and the next thing you need to do is watch this playlist on the screen now, and you would find a variety of valuable content that will help you build and grow your channel and your side business. See you in the next.